Hey guys, welcome back to Living Aang. If you're new here, my name is Aang and today's video is going to be a quick cleaning motivation. Let me know if you're cleaning along with me or what all you need to get done around your own home today. Also, please help me out by giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Now let's get cleaning. In this video, I tackle a lot of tasks that I tend to put off, such as cleaning the bathtub, mopping, and cleaning the oven. Here's a quick overview of what the oven looks like before. The white powdery stuff is dried up baking soda from my previous cleaning that got stuck in the cracks and bakes out over time. I'm going to vacuum as much as I can of this before applying a baking soda and water paste. To clean the oven, I just use baking soda and add enough water to make a paste. You can even spray it down with some water and vinegar after the paste has been applied to the oven, but I didn't have any this time so I just left it out. But I didn't notice too much of a difference whether I used vinegar or not. Now I'm using a sponge, which I designate only for cleaning the oven, to sprout the paste more evenly and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing everything down. After all the paste has been wiped off, I like to go in with this Wayman's glass top cleaner and give it a final wipe down. I find that it helps give it that clean, shiny look. Now I'm going to start on the dishes. Everything that doesn't go into the dishwasher will be dried on the countertop, so I like to clean the spot on the counter before I lay down the drying mat. After the dishes are done, I'm cleaning the sink out with the homemade soft scrub. I'll leave the recipe in the description if you're interested. I love how satisfying a clean sink is, don't you? Now it's time to get our vacuum game on so that we can get to mopping. I wanted to use my O-Cedar spin mop this time but ran out of Lysol, which is what I usually put in the bucket of water. So I'm glad that I have a steam mop because it only uses water, and sometimes if I'm feeling a little extra, I'll add a few drops of essential oil to the water reservoir. It is actually the next day now when I'm cleaning the shower. When I've put off a lot of cleaning, I tend to do a little each day instead of all in one. I find that that's what works for me and I don't end up feeling too overwhelmed. That is it for today's cleaning video. If you enjoyed it, please help me out by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you'll be notified when I post up my new video in a few more days. Thanks so much for watching. Happy cleaning. Bye.